5 ways to improve your small business marketing. Marketing is so important to every business survival and growth. As a small business owner, and we include those with e-commerce platforms selling online, as well as those with shopfronts in this category, marketing is always changing with new tactics. Hopefully you have a small business marketing strategy. However, as things change, you need to learn to adapt and change with them. Learn how to improve marketing for your organisation can only benefit your business's bottom line. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button, as every week we bring out new videos to help you grow and make money. So, if your marketing strategy for your business never changes, then you can go stale. Your competitors will find better ways to market and your customers will get tired of you. You must follow marketing trends to stay fresh with your customers. While your basic marketing plan might work for your business, there are things you could do to improve. Here are 5 tips to help you improve marketing for your business. Number 1. Learn from your competitors. When searching for ways to improve your marketing, look at what your competitors are doing. Find out what they are doing to attract customers. If you're the only company in the industry still using cold calling techniques and with little return, it's time to learn from other players in the game. Their tactics might work for you also, especially since you are trying to attract the same customer. For example, if you see that your customer regularly runs ads on Facebook, you might consider doing the same. The regular Facebook ad might indicate that your competitors see success from running these ads, and hopefully you'll see similar success with your ads, and cause some of your competitor customers to come to you. 2. Get testimonials. Before people buy something, they often look at reviews that validate their purchase. People want to know that they're spending money on quality, and they want to know if what you have to offer is better than what your competitors have to offer. You can attract more customers by getting reviews from people who have already purchased from you. You can put your reviews in multiple places, so potential customers are sure to see them. You can add reviews to your website. Hopefully as a business you have several social media sites helping you promote your services, so you can have customers leave reviews on these sites as well. Ask your customers to leave reviews. You can prompt them with an email or a social media post. If you talk to customers in person, ask them to write a review. You can even direct customers to the location where you want them to leave a review. 3. Update social media. You know that social media marketing is important for any small business, but simply having accounts isn't enough. There are always new social media marketing tips for small businesses that can improve your presence on social media. First, keep your account information up to date and accurate. If something about your business changes, your social media profile should change too. Make sure your website, address, hours, logo and pictures are all current. Second, post fresh content. You must regularly post new content on your social media pages. Don't create an account and then forget about it. Frequent posts keep you in front of your customers' faces. Post about new products and sales and show your followers what you and your business are up to. Try not to be too salesy all the time though. Give them a reason to check in on your social media sites. Maybe a Monday motivational message or a Friday fun post. 4. Get your customers to know you. People buy from people, and even in today's e-commerce world, this is still true. It's important that potential customers get to know you and your business, whether that is an About Us section on your website or meet the team post on social media. You have to go out there to where your customers are instead of waiting for them to come to you. If you're selling things that people can try, like homemade soaps, and even though most of your sales come from online, you can still grow your market by going to local events and having a booth or a table. Meeting new customers, even on a small scale like a market stall, can lead to recommendations and therefore more sales. Even if someone doesn't buy something from you, offer them a business card, a brochure, or some other information about your business, so they are reminded of your business later. You can also hold a contest and have people sign up for your emails. You should find a way to nurture these leads and remain in front of them after the event finishes. 5. Become an expert. You can improve your small marketing business by positioning yourself as a local expert. Becoming an expert is one of the long-term marketing tactics for small businesses, but can provide a big payoff. You can do this both online and at local interest groups, meetings that fits in with your business brand. Join Facebook groups where people are asking about things you might be able to help with. Don't be salesy, but offer help. They will soon see that you know what you're talking about and ask what you do. You can offer yourself as a speaker maybe at local events or meetings. You might also do demonstrations. These are 5 quick tips to help you get better with your marketing. Over the next 12 months, we'll be doing other videos, but also check out our Monday quick tip videos. They're only 45 seconds long, but each week we give you a tip to help your business. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to look out for the next one in this series. Please remember to subscribe and click on the bell so you'll be notified when the next video comes out. Good luck with earning money, guys, and remember, you can have results or excuses, but you can't have both.